A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Let me ask you something. You didn't know, say you can't carry no money and expensive clothes and house and car go heaven with you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, for make sure so you don't miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the letter from James chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 6. Listen to me, rich people. Alarm ball. Cause some terrible sitting go happen to no. Money and all of nice sitting them rotten off and insect and nyam up dear clothes them. Gold and silver them get rusty. And them a go judge and show say guilty. Them a go nyam up flesh just like say a fire a burn up. Pack up one whole heap of money and nice sitting in at them time when the world soon done. Listen to me. Rob the people them we work on a farm and pay them where them work for. No, them pay when no thief off a ball out against to the Lord. We rule over everything. Live big life on earth. Get everything want to make happy. But right here now, come in like them big fat cow where them a carry a butcher shop if go kill. Make judge right off people when do nothing wrong, say them guilty and murder them. And then couldn't even turn up for themselves against you. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.